Okay, so this video is about the steps for problem solving. This is something that we taught the kids in 4th grade and we do still in 5th grade. They usually refer to it as UPSC, UPSC. And this is just kind of what they do when they're working through word problems. It especially helps when the word problems have multiple steps they're going to be doing. So the U stands for understand the problem by underlining the important information. So what they do for this is underline all the information they're going to need to solve the problem, but then they're also going to identify what question is being asked. So what are you trying to figure out at the end of the problem? P is their plan for solving, so which operation or strategy are they planning on using? S is solve the problem and show your work. And then finally, the C stands for check your answer. And there's a lot of ways they can check their answer. They can use the opposite of operation of what they used to solve the problem. They could resolve the problem using a different strategy. So for example, if they're doing multiplication, they could do it the traditional method, but then check it with the area model. And then they also can use estimation to check their answer, which is something that we haven't talked a whole lot about yet, but we will be getting to. So if we have this word problem, the first thing they would do is go through and underline all the information they're going to need to solve the problem. So they're going to need the strawberries weigh 22 pounds, oranges weigh 36 pounds. They're going to ship 19 cases of strawberries and 75 cases of oranges. And then the question being asked is, what's the total weight of the shipment? So how much will it weigh? Okay, and then our plan for solving. So there's a few operations that we're going to need to use here. The first one is multiplication. They're also going to have to use addition. So then those are the easy parts. Then they'll move on to the solve step. So the first equation that they're going to do is 22 times 19. Because they're doing 19 cases, each case weighs 22. And then 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18 plus the 1. And then they can't forget to put the 0. 1 times 2. So the strawberries weigh 418 pounds. Then they're going to do the oranges, which is going to be 36 times 75. Okay, so then the oranges weigh 2,070. And then to get the total weight of the shipment, then they're going to have to add the two together. So the total shipment weighs 3,118. And then there's a variety of ways that they could have checked their work. They could have used the area model to resolve these, or they could have used estimation. So 22 is kind of close to 20, 19 is kind of close to 20, so 20 times 20 is 400. 418 is pretty close to 400, so that's probably right. And then the same thing with it here. 36 is pretty close to 40, 70, we could say 75 is kind of close to 70. Multiply those together, and then it would get kind of close to our final answer. So that is the steps for problem solving. Hopefully that helps you better understand that.